Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Regional Homes right here in Saltillo, Mississippi. Now hold on to your seats, we're going to look at a nice little tiny home. So let's get started. And dimensions on it are 14 by 42.
Exactly. So if you have a permanent spot somewhere and you're not necessarily a camper, this would be a great option. Now it's very loud and a little bit drizzly out here, so let's go right on inside and take a look at this.
This is awesome.
Yes. Very nice covered porch. I'm going to wipe my feet because I don't want to track anything in here. And you're going to come directly into the living room and kitchen area. Now let me turn around so I can show you the door here. This particular model has got the double sliding door. However, if you don't like the sliding door, you can get a regular door. And also there's going to be an annoying beep throughout this. We can't figure out how to turn that one off.
That's the smoke detector.
We apologize for that. All right. As he said, it's a 14 by 42. And again, this is not what we normally do. We understand that this is not a fifth wheel. It's not a travel trailer. But if you have a lakefront area, or if you've got a permanent site somewhere and you want something a little more permanent than a camper, please check out one of these little units. They are super cute.
And this is something new for the channel, so I'd like to ask all the subscribers, if you like what you see and you want us to continue to do some of these little tiny homes every once in a while, please comment down below and let us know.
This one has got it's got a Formica countertop with a butcher block pattern. Now these do come with the kitchen appliances. So everything that you see in here will come with this particular unit. You can option a microwave over the stove if you would like that. Nice big cabinets up here.
That's cool.
You do have your storage drawers down here.
Yeah.
Just excellent. This is, let me turn around again while we're still here in the kitchen and living room area. You can also option to have this fully furnished if you want, or you can order it unfurnished.
Yeah.
It's entirely up to you. They do put a ceiling fan in. Let me show you the windows on this other side. So you do have nice natural light in here.
Now I'm just going to say, I like this little table.
That is super nice.
Awesome.
You have the 2 bar stools on each side. So again, if you like it, you can order it with it in there. All right, let's move right on down. You're going to see that this does have a back door. My understanding are the steps do come with it.
Yes.
So you will have steps front and back.
Yep.
Nice little steps going out the back.
All right.
Your fuse panel, breaker box is all going to be right here in the hall, easy access. Now, this is going to be your laundry area. Now, it comes without the washer and dryer.
But you can.
They will order it for you if you would like to add that. Or you can use the space for something else if you don't need a washer and dryer. Let's move right into the bathroom area. A nice little coat rack. This is going to have a full bathroom. So your sink and vanity here, regular residential toilet.
Yeah.
Storage underneath. Now, this is not a fifth wheel or a travel trailer, so there's not a medicine cabinet up there, but you have a big sink. Like I said, residential features on this. Let me turn around and show you the tub. Now I'm going to have to back up a little bit. This is going to have the one-piece fiberglass tub and shower combo. However, if you don't like the tub, You can order this with just a shower unit. So that's going to be something entirely up to you, and it is customizable. We're going to finish out this little tiny home.
1 bedroom.
With the 1 bedroom.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go. Now again, if you like the furniture, you can order it with the furniture, or you can provide your own. Sorry about the beep again. Nice big long window in here for good light. Of course, your heating and cooling and everything is going to be, your vents are in the floor. This does have a very good size closet over here. Now we are here, I mean, there's your screen door, so overlook the screen door, but you can see that it is a nice size closet in here. And again, there's some things stored in here. But if you're looking for something for a permanent spot, this is all right. Or if you're retired, I'm gonna be honest, I would love to get my dad one of these. Yeah. This would be perfect for him.
All right, everybody, if you like this little tiny home, the little manufactured home, just give them a call here at Regional Homes right here in Saltillo, Mississippi. All the information be down in our description. And also a big thanks to Brad and everybody at Regional Homes for allowing us up here on their lot to record this. Thanks, everybody.